Hey guys, we're doing some cooking for Kymmy and Jenny tonight. So we're doing mashed spuds. We call them, what do you call them? Giraffe. What do you call them? Giraffe. Giraffe mash. You know, when you put some carrot in with your mashed potato. So we got that. Anyway, I'll put you around my neck and show you. What's that, babe?
Or sweet potato.
Sweet potato, yeah, but it's not sweet potato. Okay. So right now I've got this in here, which is mushy peas, or split peas, I should say. Where's my spoon gone? Just had a bloody spoon because I was just stirring it. So I'm just simmering this. Now these take a long time to break down. Right? You can soak them first, right? Which, you know, you got to soak them first, but I didn't. It's a quicker method. So this will take like 45 minutes to an hour. They're still hard. So you want them nice and soft, right? So I started this off first, right? Okay. Now over here, I've already done most of the spuds and the carrots. I've got one more spud to cut up. So this will be like a two-part thing. Well, I'm going to join it together because I'm clever and I know how to do stuff. So it was a garage sale today, as you know, and it's shit. It rained. It's still actually no, it's actually stopped outside. But it was an absolute nightmare, and yeah. So Kymmy's come over. She's changed her shifts. So normally she works like on the weekends, right? But because the kids are on school holidays and she works at the big public private school, the kids have all gone home. You know, where they stay over, they live there, sort of thing. Right, so we mix them in. So they're not going on yet. But what I've got is we're doing steak. So I got the steak out. You know, if you're going to cook steak, it's only a little bit for steak, but they're nice. You really want to cook them at like room temperature. Don't do it straight from the fridge. Or, you know, at least cool down a bit. I mean, you know, warmed up a bit, I suppose. All right, so we're just going to put a little bit, first off, some salt. Bit of salt. Okay. Bit of pepper. Now, I might actually put one of them aside because Kymmy doesn't really like pepper, but my Jen does. And a bit of pepper. Now, I've got in the fridge, I've got some garlic crush. Because I have garlic on friggin' everything. So we'll get a little bit of this garlic. And we'll smooth that in. Alright, so that's only one side done. So because I've got this drain thing here, I can put them in there like that. And then do the other side like when it's in there. Get a bit more salt. Peppers on. Shit, which two did I do the pepper on? That one. That one. Okay, those two have got pepper. That one's got no pepper. So that one's going to be Kymmy's. So the long one's Kymmy's. So you've got to remind me. The long one's Kymmy's. Okay, another bit of garlic. These won't take long to cook because they're not real thick. So, you know. Anyway, you'll see that in the next part. What are you doing, Kymmy?
Watching Vegas, Matt.
They're going to think we're just compulsive bloody gamblers. But it's not the case, is it? It sort of stops you betting, doesn't it? You see these guys lose. And, you know, it keeps you off of it. So you want this just simmering. That maybe goes up just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Split piece. I've already taken off a lot of... You end up with like a white foam on the top. So you take that off. I love these split peas. I'm actually going to put a bit of salt in there. So I haven't done that yet, but just a little tiny bit. Because they're going to be salty anyway. So that's on there. That's there. this. There's our steak, which will go on last, but it'll just marinate there. Look, you could do that overnight and it'd last. Now, I've got this stock. Now, when I cook the steak, I'm going to put a little bit of this in the bottom, which I've never actually done before, but I thought I'd give it a crack. So, what's Kymmy watching? Oh, she's gone. Oh, no, she's just... Oh, you're on your spot, darling.
No aircon on that.
Oh, I'm sorry, darling.
So you should be.
You like your,
Freezing.
This is, when you've got a lady going through, are we allowed to say the disease you've got?
I haven't got a disease. It's menopause. All women go through menopause.
It's not a disease.
No.
Okay. All right. Ready? All right. So next part will be shortly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Click. I know. Okay, we're back to stage 2. All right. So my spuds are done. My spuds are done there. All right. I'm going to need a this thing. Oh, scissors. I don't know why the scissors are on there. Okay. There's my spuds. And it looks like I've not been stirring them that well. They're stuck to the bottom of the pan. I did that with these too. Yeah, the potatoes did the same thing. So I'm going to have to use another pan to... What's that, babe? You doing the wash up? Yeah. What do you mean? Baby, but I love you.
Yeah, well.
She's mean. All right, so some cream and some butter. Damn, normally that'd be hot, right? But it's not because I'm a friggin' idiot. I blame Vegas, Matt. It's good, I know what I'm doing. Everything's fine. Alright. Jesus, Gavin. You're a bit of a dick. Alright, where's me fucking mat? There it is. Alright. So we mash all these up. What do you call this again? Giraffe. Yeah. Because they got carrots. Yeah. And giraffe's orange. Yeah. It's not made of giraffe. There's no giraffe got hurt in the making of this mashed potato. Alright, so that can get turned off. So we've got this on for the steak. I've got no olive oil, so I'm just using fly spray. No, I'm in canola oil. I really don't know what I'm doing. Here's our steak. Hey? Oh, babe. Lots of dishes this time, babe. Maybe Jenny will do them. What are you laughing at? I like them a little bit chunky anyway. That tastes good. Hang on, have I steamed up? Alright, so the steak's going here. The mushy peas are in there because I fucked that up too. It's that sort of look. That's not for that either. Oh, we're gonna make some gravy. There's some gravy in here. Yeah, as you can see, I know what I'm doing. So that's right, to do your gravy, just start with a little tiny bit, right? And make like a paste. A little bit more. See? A little paste. Now you can go more. Shouldn't be using that, should be using a fork. See, it's getting nice and thick. You saw how much I poured in. Obviously we're not using measurements because we're men. And men don't measure shit because we know what we're doing. Obviously today I don't because it's a fucking total fuck up. Anyway, how's this going? Where's me tongs? Where's me tongs? Where's me tongs? Where's me tongs? Got me tongs. This won't take long. Do you know what I mean? Like, that won't take long to do. That can go away. Butter and this can go away. Fridge. Okay. Now I don't know how these peas are gonna fucking come out. It's gonna be hot. So these were mushy peas that I've been trying to do, right? So I had them on the stove for bloody ages, and then I overdid it. Are they mushy? They're still not friggin' mushy. So I fucked that up. We're not having peas. They're still hard. So they've been on the stove for over an hour, but they're still fucking hard. Well, they're split peas actually. Look, should I put some in there? Should I put some in there? In the mashed potato? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Bit of crunch? Alright, I'm not going to put much in. Do that. Because otherwise I feel like I've bloody done up another. Like easy turning. Beautiful. Couple of days. That's a pretty basic fucking. Do you love me, honey? This might not be one of my best efforts. Did you die? No, you didn't die, so you'll be right. So that one there didn't have pepper. Jen. Me. Okay, look at the fucking dishes. Baby, are you doing the dishes? Love you. Did I tell you I love you today? How's your disease going? You feel better? What is it again? Do you have to take like antibiotics for that? No. My God, this looks like jail, Mark. What? Sorry, honey. Love you. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing here. So, this is, look, they'd be grateful I fed them, right? Jenny! Food! That's yours. Okay, you can have either one of those two. That one there's Kimmy's.
I'll take the small one.
Okay.
Because I don't really like the meat that much.
It's good for you, though. Alright, let's go and see whether she's going to eat this. Here, babe. What are you doing?
I'm hot.
You told me to...
I'm cold now.
You just made me put the bloody egg.
Go away from me. Oh, looks yummy, baby.
Oh, that's good, babe. They're probably going to taste horrible.
Probably tastes like shit.
You laugh now. Wait till you see the fucking mess I made.
Oh, there better not be a mess in
No, baby, there's no mess at all. It looks good. So that's cooking for Kymmy and Jenny. See you guys. Well, sorry.